Have you ever wondered if the moon could influence your financial decisions? Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, lunar trading. It might sound like something from a sci-fi novel, but it's a real practice that's gaining attention in the financial world. What is lunar trading? Lunar trading is the belief that the moon's phases can impact market trends and investment outcomes. Proponents of this theory argue that there's a correlation between lunar cycles and fluctuations in stock prices, commodity values, and other financial instruments. The concept of lunar influences on human affairs dates back centuries. Ancient civilizations, including the Babylonians and Mayans, observed celestial bodies and incorporated them into their calendars and rituals. While these practices were often tied to religious beliefs, they also reflected an early understanding of the moon's impact on natural phenomena. Modern lunar trading. In recent years, lunar trading has seen a resurgence, with traders and investors exploring its potential benefits. Some believe that the moon's gravitational pull can affect human emotions and behavior, leading to predictable patterns in market activity. Key lunar phases and their potential impact. New moon. This phase is often associated with new beginnings and fresh starts. Some traders believe it's a favorable time to initiate new investments or positions. Full moon. The full moon is often seen as a period of heightened energy and intensity. It might be associated with increased volatility in financial markets. Waxing crescent. As the moon grows from new to full, some traders believe it's a time of increasing optimism and potential upward trends. Waning gibbous. As the moon decreases in size after the full moon, some believe it's a period of reflection and potential downward pressure on markets. Scientific perspectives. While lunar trading has gained popularity, it's important to note that there is no definitive scientific evidence to support its claims. Many experts argue that the correlation between lunar cycles and market movements is purely coincidental and can be attributed to other factors, such as economic indicators, geopolitical events, and investor sentiment. Should you try lunar trading? The decision to incorporate lunar trading into your investment strategy is a personal one. If you're intrigued by the concept and believe it aligns with your investment philosophy, it might be worth exploring. However, it's crucial to approach lunar trading with a healthy dose of skepticism and to conduct thorough research before making any significant financial decisions. Lunar trading offers an intriguing perspective on the potential influence of celestial bodies on financial markets. While there's no scientific consensus on its effectiveness, it's a fascinating topic that has captured the attention of investors and traders around the world. With that said, thanks for watching. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, it's always good to explore different perspectives and approaches. Until next time, happy trading.